Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Tuesday, October the 5th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, 12 by 12, and a killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And we have here the 7 puzzles, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saifa block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me start with these 2 regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, I saw on TV the Nobel Prize in medicine won by 2 scientists for for the COVID-19 vaccines. Yeah, they have research and in a short time you can make a vaccine for the COVID. Yeah, Nobel Prize. All right. Binary puzzle number 203. Yeah, 7203. Before I start, I always count and print the digits. Well, this one has 37. 37, I believe. 37 or 38. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 38 printed digits. And it's a 12 by 12 binary. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 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 And now the double O's. Let me check. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 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 Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Come on. What's happening? What's happening? Alright, we have here. I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O, sixth O. So this box should be a 1. Same for here. Well, I need to wait. Here I need to wait. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have here 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O. So the rest are ones. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need to wait. Well, I cannot place the 6th O there. Otherwise, we have here 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So this is number 6. And we have 5 ones in this column. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O here, 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Let me see. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's O's and an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for this column, the O and a 1, between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. Here also between an O and a between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here O and a 1 there. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare. Question is the columns. Yeah, I think the columns, because the rows I have more than 2 boxes, so it will be difficult. So should we do we have here double 1, here double 1. Okay, no, this is not the same. Cannot compare this one. About here double 1. No, I cannot compare this one. How about this one then? Double 1 here. No, not the same. How about this one? Double O. Here. Yes, this column, and I believe that column. Let me compare 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. Double O here, 1 there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1 there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct, finish in 10 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.